Okay, friends, this is your third 6 weeks test. And don't forget, take your time, use your strategies on every single one. You can rewind at any point to listen to a question again. And don't forget to pause in between questions. I will try to remember to tell you to do that. Number 1, all the shipping boxes were numbered and ready to be mailed. Each package either had a composite number or a prime number written on it. Which package did not have a prime number? Which package did not have a prime number? So package A, its number was 31. Package B's number was 49. Package C's number was 17. And package D's number was 29. Which one of those did not have a prime number? Pause. Number 2. A chart of numbers is shown below. How many of the shaded numbers in the chart are prime? How many of the shaded numbers in the chart are prime numbers? Pause. Number 3. Izzy's birthday falls on a date in April that is a prime number. Which could be the date of his birthday? Izzy's birthday falls on a date in April that is a prime number. Which could be the date of his birthday? Is it A, April 1st, B, April 27th, C, April 15th, or D, April 11th? Now, some of you are not going to have all of the answer choices. Keep that in mind. You'll know who you are if you don't have all answer choices. So the one that's missing from your test is not the right one anyway, so you don't need to worry about that one. Pause. Number 4, Jennifer wants to buy some new pants. The pair of pants she wants to buy cost $20, but are on sale for 3/4 of that price. What will she pay for the pants? Pause. Number 5, which of the following equations represents the model? Pause. Number 6, Daniel needs to fill 5 bags with 1/4 ounce of seed to feed his birds. How many total ounces of bird feed will he need to buy? Pause. Number 7, Raymond has 1/3 liters left of his Dr. Pepper. He doesn't want any more and wants to divide the rest between his 2 best friends. How many liters of Dr. Pepper will each friend get? Pause. Number 8, our class of 24 students went to the zoo. Midway through the trip, we stopped to buy drinks for everyone. If 1/4 of the students picked root beer to drink, how many students drank root beer? I'm going to read that one again, it's kind of tricky. Our class of 24 students went to the zoo. Midway through the trip, we stopped to buy drinks for everyone. If 1/4 of the students picked root beer to drink, how many students drank root beer? Pause. Number 9, Jake ate 1 6/8 of a pepperoni pizza, and Chris ate 1 3/4 of a cheese pizza. How much pizza did the boys eat altogether? Pause. Number 10, Lance had 2 delicious apple pies. He shared 1 2/8 of the pie with his teachers. How much pie does Lance have left? Pause. Number 11, Jennifer had 2 2/3 of a box of paper left in her locker. She used 3/4 of that paper in the month of March. How much paper does she have left? Pause. Number 12. Which number line best models the expression 3 divided by 1/3? Pause. Number 13. Mary had a birthday party. After the party, she had 1/5 of cake left over. Her uncles shared the leftover cake equally. The model below is shaded to show the fraction of cake each uncle received. Which equation represents the model? Pause. Number 14. Mr. Taylor wants to make cookies. For each batch of cookies, he needs 3/4 cups of flour. How much total flour does Mr. Taylor need to make 4 batches of cookies? Pause. Number 15. Weather delayed 4/6 of the 24 flights departing from the airport. All departing flights are listed in the chart. How many flights departing from the airport were delayed? Pause. Number 16. In science class, Mark recorded the height of 4 rose bushes. Use the table below to determine which rose bush is approximately 12.7 inches tall. Pause. Jordan made $34 for each day she walked a dog. If she walked the dog 267 days this year, what is the total amount of money she made for the year? Pause. Number 18. Find the product of 4.15 and 3.2. Now fill this answer in on your griddable. Pause. Number 19. Jake wanted to know exactly how much he would pay for a video game he was buying. He figured out the tax on a calculator and it showed $45. Well, actually this is 45.9876. What is this amount rounded to the nearest cent? Pause. Number 20. A group of students want to buy gifts for the homeless for Christmas. They have raised $2,105 to buy the gifts. If they spend $16 on each gift, how many gifts can they buy? Pause. Okay, so up on the board there's going to be a bonus question, and notice that that bonus question has some hints. First off, it tells you that if you look right above you, or above that board, you can get some hints on how to do expanded notation. Second of all, you have to write it 2 ways, not just one. One way using fractions, one way using decimals, and you get 3 points for each one that you get right. So that's 6 points added to your test. Make sure you go back, look at any that you had any questions on. Make sure you take your time. And good luck, my friends.